Hi, this is Wood with our weekly instructional playbook. We are doing a recap from week 1. This is a way that we can talk to you guys about topics that you guys may have struggled on and successes that we've had. So last week was our first week, and I am so excited about this opportunity that Ms. King Hanley, myself, along with our other administrators, Mr. Teague, Mr. Roberts, Mr. Smith, Coach Early, we are so excited to support you. So overall, great job. Couple of things though we need to discuss. Number 1, be sure to write your first and last name. No nicknames, please. I don't know who a Scooter is or CJ. I don't know those names. So if you would please put your first and last name, I would greatly appreciate it. And also make sure that you answer all the questions on here. This is a sample of what we have. I've deleted the names from it. But as you see on this screen right here where it says poll, this 0% means that person did not do that. So I'm going to be particularly looking at the quiz scores, especially just to see what areas we can support you in. Ms. King Hanley is coming up with some great things to support you with this. But when it says draw it, please utilize the tools that you have. Again, our goal is to help you become more successful either on the ACT or the SAT and just overall, just college and career ready students. This is a team effort. We are excited about helping you, but we need for you to do your part. And so far from looking at the results, a lot of you guys are taking full advantage of it. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to chatting with you next week.